looking out the window at life. She's looking for Jesus, she's looking for the light. She's looking at the rain on the window pane, looking through the glass and she sees the hurricane. Life is like a hurricane. Life is like a runaway train. Life is like a hurricane. Life is like a hurricane. You can't hide from the truth, you can't hide from all the lies. Gotta find the courage to step out from inside. She walks out the door and steps on to the train. Wind blows her hair back and then she screams. Faster and faster, the train won't slow down. She's dancing in a boxcar past every sleepy town. She looks out the door and says, "You people are insane." Doesn't even know now how to get off the train. Life is like a hurricane. Life is like a runaway train. Life is like a hurricane. Life is like a hurricane. She stops at the station, it seems her trip is through. Back in a glass house, she doesn't know just what to do. And with her last breath, she fogs the window pane. If you listen closely, you can hear what she said. She said, "Life is like a hurricane. Life is like a runaway train. Life is like